Hi everyone, my name is Judel Lobreco and I am currently studying to become a seaman. This has been my dream since I was young because I've always been amazed by the ocean and the life around it. I am a person who loves challenges and exploring new things, especially those connected to the sea. A seaman is someone who works on ships or vessels that travel across seas and oceans. Their main duties include navigating, maintaining the ship, and ensuring safety during the voyage. Seamen also work together as a team to handle different operations and face unpredictable weather conditions. Being a seaman means being a part of global industry that connects countries through trade and travel. They play a big role in transporting goods, passengers, and resources across the world. Without seafarers, many industry would not function smoothly. I choose this course because I want to help my family and build better future for us. I know this path isn't easy since it means being far from home and facing difficult situations, but I believe every sacrifice I make will be worth it in the end. For me, being a seaman isn't just about traveling and earning money. It's about learning patience, courage, and independence while doing something I truly love. I see this career as a way to grow not only as a worker but also a person. Someday, I dream of standing on the deck of a ship, watching the sunrise over the ocean. I want to look back and see that I made it. Through hard work and determination, that's who I am. A dream, a fighter, and a future seaman ready to sail towards success. Thank you for listening.